To enter service mode on an LG washing machine, hold down intensive and pre-wash, then power on the machine. Testing clockwise rotation at 45 rpm. Testing spin speed at 600 rpm. Testing spin speed at 1400 rpm. Testing the solenoid water valve for main wash, pre-wash and softener. Press start to stop and start next compartment. Testing counterclockwise rotation at 45 rpm. Testing the heater element. Testing the drain pump. The numbers changing is the drum's water capacity. Empty equals 255. Service mode has completed successfully and will now turn the machine off.